Let's make some delicious Surmai Rava fry fish today. It is very easy and yet so delicious. Find the detailed recipe in the description box below. To begin with, these are 5 pieces of surmai which are thoroughly washed. We will first marinate it with half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. Then adding half a teaspoon salt as per taste and juice of half a lemon. This is the first marination. There is a second marination too that we'll be doing later after 15 minutes. We will now rub it well with the salt, haldi and the lemon juice. You can fry any fish with this method and this marination. Coat all the pieces well on both sides, and then now we'll leave this to get marinated for at least 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, we will add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. According to spice level, I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of Malvani fish masala. You can also add bottle masala or any of your regional masalas here. Use any brand of fish masala here. Rub it well on all sides of the fish, and this will be our second marination. This looks good, and now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander leaves. Coriander leaves gives a very good taste to the fried fish. So do add the coriander leaves, and I will leave this to marinate for 15 minutes more. To make the rava coating, I have taken 1/4 cup of fine rava or suji. To this, add 1 tablespoon of rice atta and half a teaspoon of the same Malwani masala and a pinch of salt. Mix this well, and then after 15 minutes, we will coat the fish with this. So again, after 15 minutes, the fish is marinated well. We will coat the fish slices well with the rava. Coat the rava well on all sides, and also press the fish a little so that the rava sticks to it. By pressing a little, the rava coating will not come out when the fish is being fried. So now this is ready, and we'll keep it aside. We'll continue coating all the fish slices in the same way. This rava and rice combination coating makes the fish very nice and crispy when it is fried well. You can fry any type of fish with this same marination and with the same coating. Bombay ducks too tastes awesome with the same method. So now they are all coated well. We will now fry them. I've added some oil into a pan and heat it well. Fry few fish slices at a time. I have kept the flame on medium heat. Fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each sides. Then flip them and fry it on the other sides as well till you get a nice color to it. Frying time also will depend on the thickness of the slices of the fish. This looks done, and it has got a nice golden brown. I'll take it off the fire and fry the rest of it in the same way. I would love to hear from you which fried fish is your favorite. So do leave a comment below. Fried fish always tastes best when they are hot. So squeeze some lemon on it before serving and enjoy this delicious Surmai Rava fry fish. Thanks for watching this video and hope you like it. And seeing you soon in the next upcoming video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.